Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with illuminated star. At night the LED lights up. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Brushed aluminum running boards. 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A ginger beige MB-Tex interior, pano sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, push start ignition, steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation. Also includes our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, turn pad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 43,127 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.